Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are talking about 3D views. We are talking about Unit 2, Lesson 2 with drawing 3D figures, base plans, isometric views. So if you look here, this presents a view from, if you're saying an aerial view, so if you're in an airplane and you're looking down, this is what it would look like. However, in reality, it's a field of tulips, and you can see that right here. It's very cool. It's one of my favorite things. So from up in an airplane, this is what the tree looks like. Down on the ground, this wonderful, beautiful, big, giant tree is right here. If you are looking from above, this is what a city would look like. But then if we're looking at it at the ground level, this is what it looks like. So we're just dealing with how different things look. This is an isometric view. It shows different views of the same object. So Legos are a great way to get hands-on experience with this. So if we're looking at the base plan shows us that this is actually made up of 9 rectangles. Okay, so if we're looking at it from the bottom, and then this number gives us the height. Okay, this tells us how many blocks high that part is, and that relates to this one right here. I know you can't see the 3 blocks, but based upon what we can see, based upon the isometric view, we are assuming. Okay, now if we are looking down at from the top, this is what we see. So it's this part, which is actually, for example, this would be the 4, and then this would be the 2, and then this would be the 3. So if we were looking at from the top. Okay. Now, if we're looking at from the front, and remember, we have to use what they tell us. So they told us that this is the front view. So if I were looking at from the front, all I could see would be these parts. Okay? We can't see anything else. We can't see that these ones right here come out. We just look at it as though it's flat. Now, if we are looking at the right view, okay, which would be, we have 2, I just erased that, sorry guys. So you're going to get this L-shaped, backwards L-shaped view, and it's going to have these, but then this is going to look like this contains 4 blocks, and then this would be the 2. So we are able to see this part. We cannot see that this part right here comes out. It just pretend it's flat. That we're looking at from the front or from the right side, that's what it looks like. Okay, the isometric view, it's a corner view. It shows the solid from the top, the front, the right side in the same drawing. So it gives us that multiple view. Okay, so this is another isometric view. It shows us the front, the right, and we can see the top. We could draw a base plan from it. Now, using base plans, we can figure out how many blocks there are. So in this case, how many blocks do we need? Because this is a base plan. Good, so we are going to need 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, which gives us a total of 15 blocks when we add them all together. If you've got questions, let me know.